If you close your
Hey guys, it's your host Mrs. FD's here. Welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be talking about YouTube equipment you can get for under £50. I know people want to start YouTube, but obviously they think you need to have a lot of money to be able to buy good equipment to be able to make quality videos, but that's not 100% true. There's plenty of stuff you can buy for under £50, which is quite good quality and you can use for your YouTube videos. So I'm gonna get straight into the video. So to start your YouTube channel, you're gonna need a microphone. The best microphone on the market for under £50 is by far the Blue Snowball Ice. The Blue Snowball Ice has 3 audio settings on the back, so you can adjust it according to the video that you're going to record. But also it is very high quality, it's very sensitive, so it can pick up practically anything in the room, but that's all down to the audio setting you pick. And I just think it's a brilliant mic. However, I do own a Blue Snowball microphone and I've had no troubles with it whatsoever, so I do think it's a great product. The Blue Snowball microphone is $49.99. It's a little bit closer to the £50 mark, so if you still can't afford that, then I do recommend the NEEWER NW800. It's a mixture of high quality and budget. If you really haven't got the cash to stretch to a Blue Snowball, then this is definitely the mic for you. The mic retails at £22, and for that price, it's the best mic around for that price range, and I really recommend it. Next, you'll need a webcam. This isn't essential, but it helps you connect with your viewers. The webcam that I recommend is the Microsoft LIFECAM HD 3000. Microsoft LIFECAM 3000 records in 720p at its max, which for a webcam is pretty good. The webcam retails at around about £30, which is a good price, but once again, if that's a little bit too expensive for you, then you can also go for the Logitech C270 HD webcam. That is also once again records in 720p, and this webcam retails at £20, which once again is a great price for this webcam. I recommend both really. I've had both webcams, I think they're both great. What I prefer about the Microsoft webcam is that the strap is rubber, so you can bend it to whatever shape you want and you can place it wherever you want, whereas the Logitech is plastic, so it has to go on the TV monitor. Overall, they're both quality webcams and either one will do its job. For you guys out there who are not looking to make gaming videos and want to concentrate on making vlogs and stuff like that, then I've got a camera just for you. I recommend the POLARIOD IX828. This camera has some great features and overall is a great product. This camera can record in 1080p high definition. It also has built-in flash. This also has 8x optical zoom and is also 20 megapixels. The retail price for this camera is $49.99. I think in the future I'm going to invest in this camera because the reviews are great and I just think this camera is awesome. But once again, if $49.99 is too much for you because it is at the top of that £50 limit, then I've got another camera just for you. I recommend the ACTIVEON CX. The ACTIVEON CX can record in 1080p, 30 FPS, which is very good once again, the same as the other camera, but also has a 2.4 high precision bright glass lens, which is once again for this price of this camera. I'll tell you the price in a minute. This camera only has a 4x digital zoom compared to the Polaroid that has the 8x digital zoom, but to be honest, you don't really need 8x zoom. 4x zoom is good enough. And also this camera has 2-in LCD widescreen, so it makes it easier to look at the option and select the options you want on the camera. The ACTIVEON CX retail price is $31.99, which I think is an absolute bargain. I'm not gonna lie, I would actually recommend this camera over the Polaroid ticker just for the fact it has pretty much the same features and it's just at a cheaper price. I recommend these two cameras to any vloggers out there because this is once again just do its job and would tick over to you, well, till you want to upgrade your equipment to more expensive stuff. And if you are planning to record gaming videos for console, then you're going to need a capture card. I struggled to find a capture card that is decent and records next gen for £50 or less. I tried to get as close to £50 as I possibly could, and I think I did pretty well. I recommend the AGPTEK HD Gain capture card. This capture card records in 1080p 60 FPS, which is absolutely amazing for that price, and it uses high-speed USB 3.0 technology. There's not really a lot to say about this product. It's a quality product for a cheap price. It records in 1080p 60 FPS and it uses 3.0 high-speed technology. The retail price for this capture card is £56.79. I think that is absolutely amazing for the price. This is the cheapest next gen capture card that records in 1080p that I could find, and I think I did a pretty good job, if I say so myself. So if you are looking to record next gen console gameplay, then this is the capture card for you. And lastly, if you're gonna do vlogging or even doing webcam for gaming videos, you're gonna need lighting. So you could either use a lamp like you can buy in a store or a shop, whatever, or you can use professional lighting. Trying to find a professional light in the price range of £50 was very difficult, but I managed to find one once again. I recommend the YONGNUO YN300 Air. I haven't really got a lot to say about this because I've never used it, but I do know a few of my friends who are YouTubers use this light for their videos, and it really does make a difference. But as I said, you can just use a lamp you can buy in a shop, or you could use this. The retail price for this light is $34.99. That is a very good price for this product, and if you have got the budget to get this, then I recommend it. All of the items that I've talked about in the video will be in the description down below, so go and check them out if you're interested. Remember, like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content. It's been here as Mrs. Death Deeds. Peace.